NASDAQ this week has lost its value. We can see the week started with its small indecision candle at support 23657, where the price could not manage to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, and it was trying to make a bounce from this area of support, targeting higher price levels, because it was continuation of this bullish breakout and also this movement from the bulls the week before that. But the price formed a strong bearish candle going below this area of support and targeting the next support level. The price has reached that and even touched the next support level. So this week we had a bearish breakouts below the 3 area of support, and then we can see that Friday the price was returning back above, making a bullish breakout, a return back above this area 23210.45 a support resistance level. Now on the weekly time frame it is a bearish candle because we had open price above the close price. It is a bearish, we can see that candle with a larger wick on the lower side, small wick on the upper side. We can see there that it is a bullish pin bar, but bullish pin bar not at the right position, which means it is currently at the resistance level, not at the support. So it's not very good buying signal currently. It looks like more like indecision candle because it is between this resistance and the support level, where the buyers and the sellers could not manage to push the price in any of the directions. The monthly time frame it is still bullish. We can see that there is still one more week until this month closes. So currently what we can make as a conclusion for now for the monthly time frame, nothing too much except that the price is trying to reach higher price levels. This month the price has reached all-time high price level, but we can see the price is trying to make a bullish break at about 23657.37, trying to move higher to the higher price levels. Weekly time frame it is currently unclear, at least for me, so I cannot make any conclusions right now. There is still open space that the price returns back down, but regarding the bullish trend, it is less likely that the price will easily move down. So let's see how the Monday will open, because it's very important to see how the week opens. Is it with a gap or not, or no gap, and in which direction? The daily time frame shows me currently a bullish momentum where I'm expecting that the price will try to reach 23657.37. So for the Monday, this is something that I'm expecting. From there, what will happen around this area of resistance? It is something that we need to wait and watch closely how the market will react. Will it make a bullish breakout, or it will retrace and bounce from this area of resistance, targeting the support level here? It's something that we need to watch closely when the week starts, and we will see how the Monday will open, with a gap or without the gap, and in any of the directions. So for now, if you would like to receive the updates during the week, each day I watch closely if there is any kind of a movement, any kind of update. I'm sharing that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so feel free to check that and join other traders. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description. So see you inside. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.